Hi everyone, Happy New Year. My name is Kartheek Medhavi Penagamuri Shriram. In this presentation, we will explore how artificial intelligence has become a powerful force in software development, helping developers complete their tasks more quickly with fewer errors. Tools like AI coding assistants can automatically suggest code snippets, spot potential mistakes, and provide insights that reduce the amount of time spent on repetitive or mundane activities. This allows developers to focus on creative problem solving, designing better architectures, and innovating new features. What's exciting is that these AI driven tools don't replace developers. Instead, they serve as collaborative partners. By handling tedious tasks, AI frees up human talent to spend more time thinking about overall project goals and the user needs. Throughout this presentation, we will discuss how AI is currently used to improve software development and how these tools might shape up the roles of developers in the future. Our main message: AI can supercharge productivity and creativity, but human expertise remains at the heart of any successful software project. Today, AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot have already become part of many software development teams' toolkits. These assistants can analyze code as you type and offer suggestions in real time, which helps developers write better code. For instance, they can propose function outlines, variable names, or entire algorithms, all based on the context of the project. Many enterprises find this incredibly useful because it can help cut down on coding errors and make it easier to maintain large code bases. Another significant benefit is reduced cognitive load on developers, meaning they don't have to consistently keep every detail in mind. AI coding assistants can help with the documentation and testing, reducing technical debt, automatically suggesting improvements, or clarifying tricky areas of the code. By giving teams a reliable second opinion, AI can lower the chances of bugs slipping through and encourage developers to focus on higher level architectural decisions. Overall, AI driven tools are taking over many repetitive tasks and increasing efficiency across various stages of software development lifecycle. Package management systems such as NPM, Yarn, Maven, or NuGet are the backbone of modern software development projects, helping developers quickly add external libraries and manage code dependencies. Integrating AI with these systems can make resolving complex version conflicts or dependency chains far easier. And AI can also suggest code snippets based upon the current package dependencies. Instead of combining through conflicting library requirements or worrying about which versions work best together, AI can automatically handle much of this work, suggesting compatible combinations and alerting teams to any potential issues. Security is another big advantage. Malicious packages or vulnerabilities can sneak into a project if teams are not careful. AI assisted package managers can perform automatic vulnerability scans, track signed packages, and even warn developers if they are about to import a risky library. This ensures that the project stays secure while also reducing the burden on developers. Best of all, AI understands your exact project setup, the current package dependencies, and it can provide highly relevant suggestions for future dependency updates and how to use the existing packages efficiently, thereby saving time and minimizing errors. Looking ahead, AI's role in quality assurance and testing is set to expand dramatically. Tools are emerging that can generate test cases automatically, especially for edge case scenarios that developers might not think of right away. This speeds up bug detection and helps create more robust applications. Additionally, AI is becoming smarter about analyzing historical build data, making it possible to pinpoint the best times for deploying new features or rolling back potentially harmful changes before they affect users. On the predictive analytics side, AI can provide project managers with more accurate estimates of how long tasks might take, where bottlenecks may occur, and even recommend ways to resolve these bottlenecks. Over time, this continuous learning process can dramatically reduce surprises and allow for more efficient planning. As these AI driven testing and analytics and analysis tools become more refined, expect to see a robust boost in developer confidence, and the speed at which the features are delivered to the end users. Modern software development often embraces a DevOps culture, which brings development and operations together to simplify processes and speed up releases. AI tools can align naturally with this approach by taking over routine or repetitive tasks, automating code deployments, and continuously monitoring applications for any signs of trouble. This monitoring can include tracking server performance, watching for unusual user behaviors, or spotting suspicious logs that might indicate a security risk. Moreover, AI supports infrastructure as code by helping generating configuration files and scripts. In many cases, developers can simply specify their requirements and AI will handle much of the configuration details. This reduces the chance of human error and encourages faster, more reliable updates. By letting AI handle these behind the scenes tasks, developers gain more time to innovate, collaborate, and ensure their applications are truly meeting the user's needs. To get most out of the AI tools, developers need a basic understanding of how AI models work. This does not mean every developer must be a data scientist, but a grasp of neural networks, model training, and data requirements can make it easier to choose and fine tune AI tools. With a bit of knowledge, teams can configure AI suggestions to suit their coding style, handle specialized use cases, and maintain higher accuracy in production environments. Many companies have found success by running workshops or short training sessions that show developers how to use AI tools in their day to day tasks. These sessions can help people feel comfortable experimenting with AI driven features, identifying the best scenarios for using them, avoiding common pitfalls. With the right foundation, developers can become more confident in prompting, evaluating, and iterating on AI outputs, leading to faster development cycles and higher quality applications. One reason AI can understand code is through a concept called embeddings. Essentially, an embedding translates line of code into numeric representations that capture the meaning and structure of the code. By using these representations, AI tools can compare snippets of code more effectively than traditional keyword based searches. For large code bases, this means being able to quickly locate relevant sections or discover similar functions that can be reused. In practice, this can help developers navigate a maze of files without having to remember every detail in the project. Instead of searching manually or trying to recall where a certain function lives, an embedding based tool can show you all the places where similar patterns were implemented in the code base. This makes knowledge sharing within the teams more seamless, promotes code consistency, and reduces the chance of duplicate or inconsistent implementations lurking in your project. Retrieval augmented generation RAG takes AI code generation to a higher level by giving the model or the large language model access to your team's specific data like documentation, page history, and style guidelines. This means that the AI can adapt its suggestions to fit your project's unique naming conventions, coding patterns, architecture patterns, or even coding standards. Essentially, it is no longer just generic AI advice, it is personalized for your team's needs. From scaffolding new modules to refactoring legacy systems, RAG powered tools offer end to end support across projects' lifespan. They can automatically recommend test cases or propose architectural improvements, all informed by previously approved coding patterns in your codebase. This not only speeds up development but also ensures long term maintainability because the AI respects and reinforces consistent coding practices in the entire codebase. Getting top results from AI tools often comes down to the prompt engineering, which involves learning how to ask the AI the right questions or give it the right instructions. If your prompts are too broad, you might get vague or irrelevant coding suggestions. In other words, model might hallucinate the responses. However, if you are specific by detailing your project context, desired outcomes, or coding style, AI can often provide near production ready code. Developers who refine prompts and actively iterate on them can drastically improve the usefulness of AI outputs. Beyond prompt engineering, fully using advanced features in AI tools is crucial. For instance, some coding assistants can audit your code base for performance bottlenecks or look at how different modules interact to spot potential errors. By combining these features with continuous feedback loops, teams often find they can reduce technical debt, detect performance issues early, and maintain a healthier code base over the long run. When approached strategically, AI tools become a growth engine for a project, boosting both speed and quality. As AI continues to refine and optimize software development, teams can deliver features to market much faster. Some see up to 60% gains in the speed. This does not just benefit tech companies, it can also drive advances in healthcare, education, transportation, and, and many industries by allowing quicker experimentation and faster iteration on crucial solutions. The ripple effects of these advancements can shape our daily lives and open doors to cutting edge innovations. Still, the societal impact of widespread AI use cannot be ignored. Questions about job displacement, data privacy, and the potential for bias in AI systems are more pressing than ever. That's why it's essential to balance rapid innovation with ethical safeguards like ensuring AI recommendations are transparent, tested for fairness, and regularly audited for potential harm. The future is bright, but it's up to the developers and the organizations to use AI responsibly for the greatest collective benefit. Ethics in AI is not just about following rules, it's about being proactive in preventing harmful outcomes. One key concern is bias, which can creep into AI when the training data is not diverse or representative. For coding assistants, bias might manifest as excluding certain coding patterns or favoring specific frameworks without a reason. Teams should run periodic audits or tests that check how AI behaves with various input styles to ensure fairness and inclusivity. Transparency is equally vital. By keeping clear documentation of model training data, version history, and any decisions AI tools make, you make it easier to trace and explain how certain features end up in your code. Having AI ethics communities or dedicated review boards can help teams spot and address ethical challenges early. With these structures in place, AI assisted development can stay aligned with company values, community guidelines, and broader societal needs. As AI reshapes coding workflows, developers need to evolve their skill sets to keep up. Traditionally, programmers might spend hours debugging or writing boilerplate code. Now, AI can handle many of these tasks, which means developers can focus more on architectural decision, creating solutions, and interdisciplinary collaboration with other product teams, data scientists, or even other AI systems. This shift emphasizes critical thinking over rote coding. However, learning to use AI effectively is not just about adapting new tools, it's about the mindset. Developers who understand the limitations of AI, how it is trained, and when to trust or question its suggestions tend to harness the new coding tools more successfully. They become more agile, quickly testing new ideas, and refining them based on the AI feedback. Continuous learning is the key. Staying updated on the latest AI features and best practices ensures developers maintain an edge in the fast moving industry. To wrap up, we have seen how AI is transforming every phase of software development, from coding and testing to deployment and maintenance. By automating repetitive tasks and providing data driven insights, AI helps developers deliver faster and more robust solutions. However, the human factor remains essential for creativity, ethical oversight, and high level decision making. Embracing this new paradigm means partnering with AI rather than treating it as a magical solution. Teams that invest in understanding how AI tools work, keep their data pipelines or CI/CD pipelines clean, and maintain strong ethical standards will be well positioned to thrive. In the end, a balanced human AI collaboration fosters innovation, reliability, and accountability, leading to better software and a more dynamic tech ecosystem. Thank you for joining me today in exploring the future of AI assisted software development. Looking forward for all the excitement that is happening in this area and learn and grow. Thank you.